Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming which Amazon mandate you need to cancel, seller, Oz, or an employee-related policy, because the path differs. Once identified, gather the essentials: account email, order or claim ID, and screenshots of the mandate. Log into the primary account on a desktop and enable two-factor authentication. This reduces friction during verification. Now, navigate to the specific policy page so you're ready to take the first actionable steps without delay. Once you're on the policy page, find the mandate entry and open the settings or compliance link. This is where cancellation often starts. Fill the official appeal or request form and explain why the mandate should be removed. Include the ID, a concise timeline, and your evidence. Submit, then immediately note the ticket number and timestamps. If you don't get a substantive reply within 72 hours, escalate via chat and ask for a manager to prevent delays. Finish by confirming the cancellation email and verifying the account settings show the mandate removed. Make sure automatic flags are cleared. If the mandate is reinstated or unresolved, reopen the ticket with newly organized evidence and explicitly request a supervisor review. Be firm and factual. As a key troubleshooting tip, if internal channels fail, prepare your documentation and escalate externally to the appropriate regulator, Better Business Bureau, or legal counsel. This forces a formal review and often speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.